It's such a beautiful night to make a change in our lives. East Anglian sky, empty bottle of wine. I got you by my side, talking about love and life. Oh, how lucky am I when I look in your eyes. What a wonderful way to spend a moment or two. To be lying awake and be here talking to you.
咁我哋 recap 下就係我哋一開始其實即係 Cherry 介紹啦，咁機緣巧合下認識啦。咁我哋即係主要大家都記得嘅就係其實都係因為我哋即係大家都食過同一間 Melbourne 嘅炸雞，我哋就繼續發展啦。咁一開始拍拖嘅時候你都好辛苦，成日要就我啊，我又成日自己走咗去玩啊。
Darling, honestly, I've waited all this time just to make it right. So I'll ask you tonight, will you marry me? Just say yes. One word, one love, one life.
返工又好啦，或者學校啦，你都俾咗好多情緒價值嘅支援我，會同我一齊鬧個老闆。咁我希望我喺相關嘅時間都俾咗唔同嘅支援、情緒支援你啦，咁樣樣。係啦，咁雖然我成日都話你懶，話你唔執嘢啊，點解唔做嘢啊咁樣樣，但其實你咁多年嚟，你對我屋企人付出嘅努力啊，我都有看在眼內嘅。咁雖然我哋今日即係終於隔咗咁耐，終於結婚啦，可能喺人生嘅進程上面，唔係好似你所預想咁樣樣嘅。咁但係我就覺得 it's just life， 世事又豈盡如人意咧，即係 life is like a box of chocolate。即係我希望同你一齊打開之後，我哋生活嘅每一盒朱古力。我哋之後嘅生活上面，我希望不論係家庭、工作、其他大大小小嘅事項，唔包括買包包啊，我都希望可以成為你強大嘅後盾。就算其他人唔同意你，唔支持你，我都想你記住，你亦都係有我喺你隔離。如果我哋鬧交嘅時候，可能有時候我説話過咗火，但係都麻煩你多多包容。
我請在場各人見證，我麥凌碧願意你黃卓宏為我合法丈夫。
我黃卓宏願娶你麥凌碧為我嘅合法妻子。
無論是環境順逆、
富裕貧窮、健康疾病，我都願意愛你、尊重你、保護你，
並承諾對你終身不變、矢志不渝。
我愛你。